Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be taking a look at the 30-minute project Ventus Vector. So here is the kit right here, and the box art is really amazing. Here's the box art in the front, this side right here, and this side right here, which is really annoying. And this part right here, and lastly in this. And before I forgot, this is what it looks like at the back. So at least the box is pretty decent compared to the previous the Ventus Vector. So yeah, so enough of that, and let's open this. So it is pretty much the same as the Ventus Vector. You just open this on this side right here, and it consisted of, so yeah, there's nothing left. And here's the instruction manual, and the 1, 2, 3 bags of runners. So yeah, I think let's check out the runners. So the kit consisted of only 2 runners, but because we have 3 units in the kit, so there's 6 runners in here. So it is divided into 2 colors. Here's the dark gray, the dark green color, and the black color runners right here. So here is the kit fully finished, and let's start things off with its articulation. So it is mostly ball joint. So the head is on a ball joint. The shoulders, same as the shoulders, it's just all on ball joint with a lot of arm raised right there. Can reach out to say hi or something. And this part right here is also in the ball joint. This elbow is on a ball joint. The wrist, the torso is on a ball joint without no restriction. With an amazing articulation at the hips. So the torso. So it is on a ball joint, and for the thighs, there's a bit of a rotation right there, but the knees is on a ball joint with an amazing bend right there. This thing can move forward this far, but nothing at the back. So yeah, the first one, the Victus, is actually had a better, because it can move way past this part right here, but it is not that bad at all. And as lastly, this is on a ball joint also. So there's that. It is an amazing. It got an amazing articulation for its design and its simplicity. So yeah, that's it for the articulation, and let's check out its weapons and accessories. And before I forgot, this also can open for you to put some of its persons. I forgot the personnels with the same scale as this, and also yeah, it is really small. So for the accessories, actually you only get 4, but they look pretty amazing. Let's start things off with this pile bunker, but could also use as a missile launcher or a railgun or something. So it is only a 1 piece, and it's a bit hollow, but the details are nicely integrated, so it does not feel like it's hollow. So that is just my opinion. So here's the rifle like this. So same as this is also a 1 piece part right here, and yeah, there's some hollow parts, but yes, it looks like it is part of the design. And next one is the machine gun right here, which is really nice. And lastly, the axe. So yeah, you get a total of 3 of each, which is really nice to use. You could use it however you like. You could do it like this, or use it like this, or just equip them all in here. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, as you can see, your imagination is just the limit for the arrangement or of the weapons. So yeah, I think that's it for the accessories, and let's check out let's just talk about my final thoughts. So these kits are extremely small, as I have shown you. Here it is compared to a normal high grade, which is might some of you a bit disappointing on the smaller size kits, but don't let that discourage you, because the quality, even though it is really simple, the final result is just amazing. I think this was the first release compared to my first review, the Ventus Vector, because it was an improvement compared to this, because there is a lot of showing what you call that, there's some nub marks are visible in this kit compared to the Vectis, but I think it is because that was color white, so there's that. But overall, for its simplicity, it is really amazing. The articulation was quite literally even better than most of the high grades, in my opinion. And I could really show you. And if you, and also it is really simple, that I would highly recommend this to beginners. And for a price of one, you could get 3 of them in one kit. So there's that. And as for the veterans, there are so many opportunities for this, for customization and painting. And as you can see, it looks like a dreadnought. The design looks like looks like a dreadnought, so you could use this for Warhammer or something. I'm not gonna but it's just only a suggestion. Maybe, yeah, it is really similar to dreadnought for some reason. But yeah, because it is really cheap, there's a bit of hollow parts, but it's not that bad. They're integrated the design pretty well, especially the weapons, so they're just one piece. So yeah, newbies and veterans alike, they would really have I really have a good time in this kits right here. So yeah, I think that's it. It is really a brief review for these tiny kits. I really love them. So to answer the question, should you get this kit? Absolutely yes, for the short answer. And as for the long answer, if you really like the design, it is really an enjoyable kit. And if you plan to build an army of them, it is really easy, because for a single kit, and the simplicity is really you build this once and it is going to be a breeze for all of them. It's just that easy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below if you have something to say or to ask, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It would really help the channel. And see you all in the next video, guys. Peace out. Ciao.